After every 150 coffee brews, a descaling cleaning is required. 3 disc scaling methods are available. Pour the descaling solution into the container. Add 500 milliliters of water and let it sit for 5 minutes to mix thoroughly. Add the solution into the water tank to the maximum mark and securely close the lid. Put a large container under the coffee spout to catch the water. Turn on the machine to begin the flow. When the machine finishes, refill the watt tank with fresh water and press the power button once more to rinse it through. You're all set. The process is finished after the second cycle of water stops. Your machine is now descaled.